Okay, so this is a summary of bird strikes in Nevada for the BA 222 Business Computer Application class, specifically looking at Excel sheet data. So starting off, overview of Nevada bird strikes. There was 737 total strikes between May 20th, 1990 and August 25th, 2015. The data given to us from the website. Some highlights: 51 airline carrier categories, and that includes private, government, and unknown, and 36 bird species. Looking at a cost summary of the 737 bird strikes, only a few of them actually required maintenance or repair costs. So looking here, you can see a list of the repair cost coming down this way and other costs coming down this way, and then the inflation adjusted costs in these two columns. So I set it up with a simple Excel sheet table so that I could remove any of the blank data from the repair cost and other cost columns. So you can see here, total inflation adjusted total is $1,840,098, and the original total is $1,387,394, and that is the total looking at both cost and other costs. Using a lookup function, I identified one single incident, and that was with the unique ID number 255. The operator was SkyWest Airlines. It was an EMB 120 aircraft, and between other costs and repair costs, the total cost was $50,000. Then, looking at a pivot table over here of the top 10 airlines that were hitting birds, you can see that out of the 737, the top 10 airlines accounted for 573 of them. And then I summarized that data in a graph over here, looking at a bar graph, the comparison between the top 10 airlines that were hitting birds. So you can see here Southwest was the number one with 180 bird strikes. And also one thing that I didn't include in this slideshow is that the Boeing 737, which Southwest's primary plane, had the majority of the bird strikes throughout the time range that we're looking at. Then looking at the species summary, we had 36 total species, and I'm looking here just at the top 25 or so. You can see here that out of the 737 bird strikes, the top 25 accounted for 686. And you can see I organized this pivot table by alphabetically rather than the number of bird strikes, so that you can see going down the list how many each were. I noticed that the largest bird strikes, as you can see in this graphical representation, come from unknown bird medium and unknown bird small. Then adding that to unknown bird large and just unknown bird, out of the 737 bird strikes total, unknown counted for 501 of those. Then looking at a summary of all of the airports where the bird strikes occurred, there are only a few airports that Nevada was reporting for, and you can see that the main airports accounting for more than 700 of the bird strikes were the Reno Tahoe International Airport and McCarran International Airport, both in the Las Vegas areas. And then this organized into a graph, you can see how large the split is. It's a 96% of the bird strikes are from that McCarran International Airport and Reno Tahoe International Airport. And that is all we have. Thank you.